Hi Botswana out there, I am Sefalana Lobelo. I'm 17 years of age and I believe that I have the skills, intellectuality and the confidence to make Botswana a recognized name in the household entertainment industry. I've always liked presenting and I've seen people from as close as South Africa like Bonang Mateba and Benny Damini do very well in it, and I've also seen people like Ryan Seacrest do it very big, and I just think that I have that confidence to do it big too. Thank you. Yes, Botswana, the choice is all up to you. It's all about who you believe deserves to be the biggest gemstone model. All you need to do is go up to the internet and vote for your favorite model at gemvote.com. The choice is yours, Botswana. And if you also believe that you deserve to be the biggest gemstone, all you just have to do is come to Gaborone Cresta President Hotel at 10 p.m. and try your luck. It's your 15 minutes of fame and you can do it big. If you deserve to be Tyra Banks, if you think that you're the next Halle Berry, Oscar's calling your name, a Grammy's calling your name, it's all up to you. It's one love from me to you. Peace.